Oh, good. Okay, guys, I got a little thing. Had to run to the post office pickup, which I'm going to add. I've been looking forward to it coming in. It's from Ranger Precision. This, of course, is the Ruger Precision. I need to do some cleaning on tomorrow, and wife and I did a lot of work today. Anyway, also I wanted to show you something. I don't know if you guys are familiar with these guys. Now, I'm not hawking for them because, good Lord, nobody would pay me to do anything. But these belts are from Hank's Belts, and this is kind of the dress one. And I've worked with slacks in a suit before. I'm going to order the 1¼ inch one. Man, these things are good. I put heavy guns on them. And this is my other one. Look at that little stamping. Doesn't it look pretty? And it's wide. It's really heavy duty, but I like Hank belts, and I'm soon going to have 3 of them. But anyway, what I'm going to do is not bang this thing up. If I can get from it. This is the new vise I got, and I tell you what, I really do dig this. But this just came in. I know what it is. So the wife and I ran down to the post office, watched one of the locals get busted. It wasn't local, but from the looks of it, all the cop cars there, it was obviously a drug bust. But isn't this just absolutely neat? I'm finally getting a good sharp edge on this thing. It's been a long run. And yes, it's an NRA blade. Back when they were good. But as you can see, it's a gosh, they make good stuff. It's a thumb extension. If you got a scope, and what I have on there, I mean, it works great, but I wanted one like this. As you can see, and I'm going to put it on right here. Let me get some light on this to place the black one, or it'll match that. And here's, of course, is the that quick release. Man, if you got one of these, that's what you want. And that little flat trigger right there that is just unbelievable. But I'll get back to you in a minute after I install it. Okay, we've got her on. She looks good. Let's see if I can see, if you guys can see it. But that's it right there. And let me get up here where you can see it a little better. It's got that little Ranger Precision logo on top of it. Not sure if you can actually see that or not. But anyway, trust me, it's there. And that's that great little trigger. I got this cocked. I want to show you up close how great this little trigger works. There is no slop. Pull that trigger and that's it, man. But anyway, not much. But there you go.